I mean, a lot of people that got a lot of horsepower on their cars can't even put it down to the ground.
Almost too late.
That's what happens when you hang out with Mopar people. Go ahead, go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. I think the pressure got him.
Yeah,
The pressure got him. I saw his face. His face like. We doing real quick.
Your car? That's your car?
You can see I'm with the Mopar guys. Tasmanian Devil, SRT, Daytona J. This man, you can see, just so you know it's official real quick, you know what I mean? Top on that. And then he's getting his radios put on.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna take the Mustang out too, and we're gonna test them tonight.
Yes, sir.
He might test them too. I don't know. He undecided right now.
He's actually fat if you look back.
He's fat, so he's weighing his car now. It's 5,000 pounds. So he said he don't really want to do that till he go on a diet. So I understand. So we gonna do this one too, is he?
Oh, he might. It's the pressure.
It's the pressure.
Oh no! 1, 2, 3.
What?
Oh, jumped.
What happened?
Couldn't shift fast enough.
Aw, damn it.
Transmission disconnected.
Aw.
He jumped.
Almost too late.
So he got his car on a lift now. Let's get a view of it from this side. Taking the wheels off, about to drop the rear, put the new diff in. Notice he got the 4-piston calipers with the slided rotors with the Ferradas on there. A couple other engine things, and then he got a bunch of suspension. In fact, let me go around and show them the suspension setup real quick. The iBot Pro Kit. This is a Pro Kit, right? There's the diff. Pretty much everything is out right now. He's about to lift the car up and the rear is going to be on the ground. Full rear is out. Look at that. Old diff out, new diff in. So, unfortunately, I don't know if I said it, we weren't able to get the rear on, but we were able to get the drag radials on. He was able to do that. He just took his wing off real quick. Now we're gonna do some draggy testing. This car is on Mickey Thompson's, has a tune intake, bunch of suspension, and he got some stuff back here, but don't mind that.
Yeah, sorry about that.
You know, completely nothing back here. So hopefully we get some good times. See, as from the draggy times, y'all can see the work he did went a long way, because those times are like a second faster than stock. You running a full second, which is a lot. The drag in the quarter mile.
The 5.7 is very small, so it's not very small, but it's very restricted. So if anything, you want to get as much air as possible flowing through the block. So I always recommend porting an intake manifold or getting a 6.1 intake manifold, which I do have.
Okay.
And then the exhaust, we got huge mufflers on the car. If you can, I would buy long tubes and a regular exhaust, so like a Flowmaster. You can go Cooks, American Racing, Stainless Works, SLP Loudmouth. I have Stainless Works long tube headers, not on the car currently, but I do have some. I just need to put them on.
So what you're telling the people is basically your car is going to be a lot faster because you don't have the main things that you would put on that free up that restriction.
Right.
I should have liked to agree to some Fast and Furious shit. Damn. That purple joint.
So you got the stock manifold.
Just port it.
Port it. Oh, did port the stock manifold. Got an intake there. Catch can, keep everything clean. And then all that weight reduction. Bunch of suspension. What made you go with the suspension?
It's more or less just being able to put the power down to the ground. So
Okay.
then you got Hellcats and stuff like that, putting down anything over 4 and above. So people start thinking, oh well, 330 to the wheels is nothing. If you can put the 330 down to the wheel, it's a lot. You know, I mean, a lot of people that got a lot of horsepower on their cars can't even put it down to the ground. I have no wheel hop. I went with the AAD wheel hop eliminator.
Okay. We'll put that on the screen.
Bilstein shocks, Ibach springs, White Line sway bars, and then B Woody sway bar links for me to fit my radios on. For the rear gearing. So right now I have 306 gearing in the rear. I'm getting ready to up it again to 373s.
Okay.
So you figure you up your gears, the 373s, you have that suspension, so you're able to put that power that you do have to the ground.
And the weight, you lost a little bit of weight on this too.
Yeah, then the weight reduction. I mean, I lost a little bit. The car is overall heavy. Just from changing some of the suspension stuff, it also lost weight as well.
He's beaten SRTs, scat packs, a lot of stuff that you would think is out of your league. So you don't necessarily have to buy the top trim to be faster than the top trim. You just gotta have the right mods.
Yeah.
So with that, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, have a nice day.